Hello everyone. Today we're going to use R to log into Twitter and do some text mining. So I have my R Studio account on my Mac, and I also have my browser open with Twitter. So if you can probably go to my website here, you could download this code, and with this code then we could start using Twitter with R. Okay, once you have this code, just make sure that you have installed the relative packages and so on, loaded all its libraries. And with that, we're going to have four different type of volumes here. So that is, we need to have the consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and access token secret. Now, where are you going to get that? You are going to get your apps.twitter.com, go into login and make sure that you have everything all set. And you can probably create a app for yourself. I already have created, but how do you create a new app? Just click one of them and they'll probably give you relative information. So this is your consumer key and so on. And then you're going to probably have to provide a website. I use my basic website. You can use your basic website, and I just call it text mining practice, which is what we're probably going to do. Okay. After that, we're going to have to go into settings. So this is my settings that I have given. Okay, I just called it JL text mining 2, text mining practice. I gave my website. After that, you're going to have to get your keys and access tokens. So yes, I have provided my consumer key and consumer secrets, and you can also create your tokens, okay? And once you have created it, then you can probably go back here and get your access tokens and access secrets, okay? Once you have that, what I'm going to do is that now I'm going to ask Twitter and ask for my authorization. So how do I do that? I'm going to use setup Twitter OAuth official authorization using my consumer key, consumer secret, access tokens, and access token secrets. Okay, let's see what happens if I run this. Okay, and it seems that yes, everything is all set and done, and yes, I am now officially into Twitter's server. Okay, with that, what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna interested in getting some tweets. Okay, I'm gonna get some tweets, and I'm gonna get it from Twitter site. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna just call my Twitter search Twitter function. I'm gonna get the most 20 recent. I'm gonna set it as language to be English. Okay, what this is gonna do is that if I run this part of code, so now I got the recent 20 tweets that is related to Twitter. Okay, so after that, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna save the text. Okay, I'm gonna save the text as is, and I want to make some word clouds out of this and do some word analysis. Okay, so that is. This is a Mac system, so if you are using a non-Mac system, what you would probably do is just call the corpus and vector source. But if you're using a Mac system, you actually have to convert it a little bit. So you will have to use it as a apply and make sure that you convert the ASCII keys that are Latin into blanks. Okay. Once you have that, I'm going to make the call. And once I run this, then it's going to be all saved into my docs. And with that, what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to make some changes to these special characters so I don't have to see them. Okay, I'll probably run that. And I want to make sure that all the words are converted into lower cases so I don't distinguish any lower cases or upper cases or anything like that. Okay, and I also want to remove numbers that won't be part of my analysis. And I want to remove some common words, stop words, so that is the, for, of, and those type of words. Okay. And I want to remove some of the characters that I don't want. Now I have blah blah 1 and blah blah 2, but obviously there's some common character words that you would like to replace in those cases. We'll probably see that later. I'll also remove some punctuations. I'll remove some white space if there are extra white spaces. And I'm going to use some text stemming. So what I mean by that is that For example, if I'm using benefits, benefiting, and benefited, I all just want to count it as benefit. Okay. So once that is all set, so I'm going to run these codes. So right now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do a word count of all the words that were there, and I'm just going to get the top 10 words. Okay, let's see what I have. And it seems that this is the top 10 words that I would like to get. So Netflix being Netflix is obviously the most word that has been mentioned, followed by HTTPS, TCO, and watch, and alphabet, and so on and so forth. Okay, you would probably notice that there is a couple of words that you would like to remove here. So obviously HTTPS is something that you do not want to count. So in that case, what I'm going to do is that go over here and I'm going to remove HTTPS. Okay, so once I do that, and if I do the word counts again, now you would notice that HTTPS is now removed. So I do not have to see that on my root frequency. Obviously, you can probably do this same for the TCOs. Okay, with that, what I'm going to do is that now I'm going to run a word cloud. Okay, see how this word cloud looks like with the words that I currently have. Okay, now if I run this, it's going to take a while. And here we go on the right. This is the word count that I get for the common words that we have seen here. Okay, so hopefully I hope you enjoyed this video and you are all able to log into Twitter using R and run some basic text analysis, get the frequency of words, and run a basic word cloud. Okay, all right, thanks.